spring. Morning dove and the sparrows sing. Through the light that the sun will bring, reborn. Flocks are creeping on the wall. Swallowtail heeds the northern call, and the last of the frost will thaw, reborn. In the warm of the spring, I recall everything once more. Across the plain, red-winged blackbird, soft refrain, reborn. In the warm of the spring, I recall everything once more. Once more.